Now let's use this and that with body parts vocab. A quick reminder, for this we use هذا for masculine, هذه for feminine. For that we use ذلك for masculine, تلك for feminine. Remember, as I mentioned in my previous video, some of the body parts that comes in pairs are feminine, and we should memorize them, some of them. هذه عين, تلك عين. Remember this and that. هذه عين, this, تلك عين for that. We use feminine nouns here because عين, it's feminine because, as I said, some of the body parts that comes in pairs are feminine. هذا أنف, ذلك أنف, masculine, this and that. هذه أذن, تلك أذن. هذه يد, تلك يد. هذا شعر, ذلك شعر. هذه رقبة, تلك رقبة. هذا رأس, ذلك رأس.